Hey there, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, where you can find everything related to personal growth. So today we are going to talk about another big topic: how to become a woman men obsess over. If you want to get the attention of other men or some special guy, this video is for you. I'm pretty sure after this video you will improve your attraction. So let's go deep inside to understand each of these. Number 1. Self-confidence. Believe in yourself and your worth. Self-confidence, in the context of attracting others, including men, is a deep and genuine belief in your own worth and abilities. This is an unwavering assurance of your worth, and you deserve respect and love. Confident individuals create an air of positivity and confidence that can be magnetic to others. They acknowledge their strengths with kindness and gentleness and carry their weaknesses insecurely. This energy and confidence in yourself makes it not only appealing but also inspiring to others, drawing people to their charisma and true self-worth. However, it's important to remember that you have to be confident for your own good with your passion instead of just being self-sufficient attracts others to you. Number 2. Self-care. Take care of your physical and mental health. Self-care, in the context of turning into a person of wonderful enchantment, includes meticulously tending to your bodily and emotional well-being to present a quality model of yourself. It encompasses a range of practices, from keeping a healthy way of life through exercise and balanced vitamins to grooming and private style choices that enhance your look. Emotionally, self-care consists of dealing with strain and nurturing your intellectual fitness, fostering a positive and radiant persona that captivates others. The closing purpose is to exude an air of secrecy, of self-love and self-worth, which may be captivating to guys and others. However, it is essential to exercise self-care in most cases for your very own health and happiness, rather than entirely to make others obsess over you, as true self-care stems from self-compassion and self-admire. Number 3. Personal style. Develop a style that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Personal style, in the context of becoming someone who captures the attention and admiration of men, involves a deliberate and authentic expression of your unique personality through fashion and appearance choices. It's about crafting a distinctive image that reflects your confidence and individuality. This style extends to your clothing, grooming, and even how you carry yourself. To attract others, including men, it's important to have a style that makes you feel comfortable, confident, and aligned with your identity. While personal style can certainly be appealing, it's essential to prioritize authenticity over trying to fit someone else's expectations. People are often most attracted to those who are genuine and true to themselves. So make sure your personal style reflects your own tastes and preferences. Number 4. Interests and passions. Pursue activities you're passionate about. Interests and passions are essential elements in becoming a woman who can capture a man's deep interest and admiration. Genuine interests and passions make you intriguing and captivating, as they reflect your authenticity and enthusiasm for life. Whether it's a hobby, an artistic pursuit, a sport, or a career goal, these passions can create a magnetic aura around you. Sharing your passions with confidence can spark deep connections and ignite a man's curiosity and admiration. However, it's crucial to pursue these interests and passions for your own fulfillment and not solely to make someone obsess over you. Authenticity in your pursuits and the joy they bring you is what truly draws people in. Number 5. Communication skills. Be a good listener and engage in meaningful conversations. Effective communication skills play a pivotal role in becoming a woman who can capture the deep interest of men. It's about the art of connecting on both intellectual and emotional levels. Being a good listener, showing genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings, and engaging in meaningful conversations can create a powerful connection. Communication also involves expressing your own thoughts and emotions clearly and confidently. By mastering the balance of listening, empathy, and articulation, you can establish an authentic and profound connection with others, including men. However, it's crucial to remember that communication skills should be cultivated not to manipulate or obsess someone, but to foster genuine, healthy relationships built on mutual respect and understanding. Number 6. Kindness. Treat others with respect and kindness. Kindness is a powerful attribute in becoming a woman who garners the attention and affection of men. It involves treating others with respect, empathy, and generosity. Kindness can create a welcoming and harmonious atmosphere, making you a pleasure to be around. Men, like anyone else, are drawn to individuals who radiate warmth and consideration. However, it's important to practice kindness from a place of genuine compassion and goodwill, rather than with the sole intent of making someone obsess over you. Authentic kindness stems from the heart and fosters meaningful connections based on mutual respect and caring. Number 7. Independence. Be self-reliant and have your own life and goals. Independence, when striving to become a woman who captures the intense interest of men, means having a strong sense of self-reliance and personal autonomy. It's about having your own goals, ambitions, and a life that you're passionate about. Independence can be alluring, as it demonstrates that you're not solely defined by a relationship, and that you bring value to it from a place of strength. Men are often attracted to women who have their own individual identities and interests. However, it's crucial to maintain independence for your own well-being and growth, rather than as a tactic to make someone obsess over you. Authentic independence is about self-empowerment and pursuing your own dreams and desires alongside building a healthy, balanced relationship. Number 8. Positivity. Maintain a positive attitude and outlook on life. Positivity is a captivating quality when aspiring to be a woman who engenders deep fascination from men. It's about maintaining an optimistic outlook on life, embracing challenges as opportunities, and radiating a cheerful and hopeful demeanor. Positivity can be contagious, drawing people in with its uplifting energy. Men, like anyone else, are often attracted to those who exude a bright and optimistic presence. However, it's crucial to cultivate positivity primarily for your own well-being and genuine happiness, rather than aiming to make someone obsess over you. True positivity stems from a mindset of self-fulfillment and personal growth, which can naturally draw others toward you. Number 9. Empowerment. Set and achieve personal goals to build self-esteem. Empowerment, in the context of becoming a woman who captures the intense interest of men, signifies having a strong sense of self-worth and the confidence to pursue and achieve your personal goals and aspirations. It's about taking charge of your life, making decisions that align with your values, and embracing your inner strength. Men are often attracted to women who radiate self-assurance and independence, as it signals a deep sense of self-worth and ambition. Nevertheless, it's crucial to pursue empowerment for your own personal growth and fulfillment, rather than to manipulate someone into obsessing over you. Authentic empowerment comes from self-belief and striving for your own success, which can naturally draw people toward you who appreciate and respect your strength. Number 10. Respect. Choose partners who value and respect you for who you are. Respect, derived from being a woman who garners the unwavering interest of men, includes the give and take of this essence of any healthy relationship and means treating others with kindness, measurement, and appreciation, as well as demanding more. Respect and lasting relationships are the cornerstones of romantic attraction. Men, like everyone else, are attracted to those who value and accept them, and who, in turn, show genuine respect for others. However, prioritize respect in relationships for the right reasons outside of genuine care and understanding, not manipulating someone into being hard on yourself. True respect is the foundation of a strong and meaningful relationship built on mutual interest and appreciation. There you have it. How to become a woman men obsess over. With these, you can improve your qualities and be an attractive woman. It is always essential to try to improve your qualities rather than making others fall for you. So try to be a woman with qualities. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon, and you will never miss our YouTube videos. If you have any ideas, feel free to put them in the comment box. Let's meet in the next video. Until next time, bye-bye.